Welcome back to Garage Beers. In this episode, we're going to take some stuff apart and we're going to see how this goes. So come along. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. But I do have some updates for you. I haven't been real great about this. I've been really busy just trying to get things done. So here's where we're at. The 930 project is in full swing. I have the engine. I can show you that. I don't know if I have yet. I don't think I have. So let's do that. I'll show you the engine. I got the transmission. The brakes are on their way. They got a little held up in manufacturing. I've got the hood off. I've got the deck lid done. Well, the deck lid's sanded down. I'll show you some issues there. Car's getting ready to go out for paint, so I'm stripping it down in the process of doing that, cleaning out all the things I'm finding. I do have the hood already back from paint. Super excited about that. Can't wait to show you that. So let's get down to it, guys. Right, so in here we've got a lot of cleaning done. When I say that, not really. I've just blown out, there was a lot of nuts that were up in behind the fuel tank. So I've blown all them out. I'm going to vacuum them up. Cleaned up in here a little bit, but I still really need to get in here and scrub. Been a lot of rodent activity that has happened in here in the last God knows how long. Didn't have a sticker on it. I don't know how long it's been off the road. So we were trying to work on cleaning this. The last thing I want to do is when he's in here painting, if there's anything blowing around, that's not going to be great for the paint job, so we need to clean that all up. As you can see, I have the windshield is out. Windshield's out. I got to pull all the rest of the glass. The sunroof assembly is a whole other story. We'll cover that in another video. And the interior's out, getting redone. Working on it right now. It should be pretty close to done. So hopefully we'll get that back pretty soon. And we'll go over and take a look at the hood. So the hood is over here. It's on top of the 914. It is painted. It's hard to tell in this terrible fluorescent lighting, but I'll show you what I can here. All right, a little peek. Tough to show you underneath of the lift, but I don't really want to risk bringing it out and scratching it. So it is sitting right here on top of the 914. Just chilling out. So that's going to be the rest of the color. The whole car is going to be Grand Prix white. So let's take a look at the deck lid here. So here's the deck lid, and it's seen better days. Let's see if we can get a good angle on this. You can see how low that is. It appears that somebody was closing the deck lid with a wing. Common issue from what I understand. But it is really, really low. So we had to fix that. Well, I'm not fixing it. The body guy's fixing it because I don't do body work. So, sorry to disappoint you. That's what it is. I'll weld some stuff together here and there, but I don't do body work. So the rear window has to come out. Back glass, all the quarters, side. That's probably the thing I'm hating to do the most is pull this. I really don't want to pull these side windows out because I think that it's going to suck, but I don't know. It sucked on the 914. We'll find out. It's got to happen. Sunroof. I've got the track out of there. It's mostly cleaned up. Been watching some YouTube videos on here on how to do this. That have been a great series. If anybody's looking to do this, I'll try to find his information and put a link in the description because he has been a huge help on this part. Massive. I was pretty worried about doing it. So let's go take a look at the engine. It's in the other garage. It's kind of dirty and gravelly over there, but just deal with it and I'll show you what we got. Now, also, real quick, just take a moment. I mean, fall in West Virginia, you really can't. Okay, well, it's really gray, but look at the colors on the trees. So we got that. And one more quick thing. Look at this. That's another thing I've been doing is I put a lift on the old K10 because it's now my daily driver because I sold my daily to do this car. So let's open this garage up. Okay, let's take a look here. As you can see, it's pretty rough over here. Planned on doing the gravel this year, didn't get around to it. Or going on concrete, didn't get around to it. So here is the beast that's hard to see in the dark, but it's just a little dark in here. That is an 86 3.3 turbo. See the turbo right there. Spoolie boy. The intercooler, I'm not super impressed with. You can see the welds on that. Not great. The exhaust is horrific. I mean, absolutely horrific. I don't know who treats a 930 like that, but whatever, we'll deal with it. So let's look at the trans. Not a whole lot to see there, but let's look at it. So there it is. Surprise. Sorry, I'm using a tripod that's probably squeaking. I hope it's not squeaking too much in the video, but it probably is, and it's kind of annoying to hold. I just didn't want to take it off tripod. Let's be honest, I just didn't want to take it off tripod. So in here I've also got a new clutch, new pressure plate, throw bearings, pilot bearings, everything. Axles, we've got axles. We should have just about everything to finish this up. I guess we'll see, right? All right, so that's where we are at right now at this current point. A couple weeks, car goes out for paint, got to finish stripping it down. Let me know if you want to see that process. There's plenty of videos out there, but let me know if you have any questions throughout. So let me know what you want me to film for you, what you want to see, and I'll do my best. But until then, I have a gold one for me. Son of a bitch. Oh, anyway, I don't know why I keep saying anyway. I always say anyway. Like, I don't know why. Anyway. I guess mechanic? Not really. But if you're interested in watching me be a super amateur jackass mechanic thing, I'll upload it. I mean, I don't care. David!